Why is the question some people procrastinate? There's so many. There are pure whole studies that have been done on this. So number one is a lot of people procrastinate because of them wanting to be absolute perfectionists. They've got a standard that they set for themselves and they don't accept nothing less. Some people who are also perfectionists, what they do, they overthink the situation too much. They overthink all the time. Again, you're setting your benchmark so high. You're setting yourself up for failure even before you've started. And this is a way of self-sabotaging yourself. You know you've got to do something, but you put such a high block there that it's impossible to jump over. So you say, oh, bunny, I can't be bothered to do it anyway. I'm going to make a flop of myself. Number two, very closely linked to number one, which was having perfectionism, is an underlying feeling that someone is perceived as a failure. If you think of yourself as a failure, someone who's not good enough, then you will always procrastinate, or you won't feel comfortable to do something new just in case you make a flop of it. So number three is some people have a low tolerance toward frustration. They get bored very easy. As a result of boredom, they don't even want to start a situation in the first place. They get bored very easily. Hence, because they think it's going to be boring, oh, I can't be bothered, I'll start next week. No, inshallah, I'll start next month. And another one is lack of clarity in your goals. You don't know exactly what you want to achieve. And another one, indecisiveness. A person can't make their mind up. Should I do this? Should I do that? Oh, I'm not sure. Okay, let me think about it. A few days pass, they think about it again. They're still unsure. This one or that one. They're still unsure. And in addition, another one which is very, very common, guys, a reason for people procrastinating, anxiety. This feeling of just unsure, uneasiness, not feeling right within, that can cause this. And hence people then procrastinate what they need to do. And last but not least is that I'll just mention this one. Again, there's so many, but a lack of perseverance. Someone may start with a goal. Someone may start and say, inshallah, I'm going to do this particular thing. But they themselves have a tendency to give up too quick. So they want to see results too fast.